I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to add the real-time refresh rate option in the Realme X7 Max too. As you can see, friends, this is a real-time Realme X7 Max, as you can see here. So I'll try to show you a step-by-step process how to enable this real-time refresh rate. I'm trying to mention this is a refresh rate, not the FPS. There is a lot of difference between the refresh rate and the FPS. I'll try to explain you in this video completely. The reason why I need to make this video is because just before this video, I did upload the 90 FPS PUBG video, and a lot of users did ask me, how did you enable the real-time FPS meter? That is a reason I thought of explaining. This is not the refresh rate. So this is not the FPS, this is the refresh rate, yes. So I'll try to show you exactly how to enable. So first go to the about phone and try to click on this version. So once you click on the version, there's an option which is called the build number. Try to tap on the build number 7 times. So once you tap on the build number, then the developer options will be enabled. So now you need to go to the developer options, go to the additional settings, and here you can find the developer options, as you can see, friends. So now try to scroll down a little bit, scroll down, and here you do have the option which is called the show refresh rate. This is not the real-time FPS meter, so don't confuse between the FPS meter and the refresh rate. But one advantage with this real-time refresh rate is that, for example, let me try to open this game. So this game actually supports 120 FPS. Yes, this game supports 120 FPS. A lot of other phones also support this game. So if the game supports 120 FPS, this value will change from 60 to 120, but it's not changing. Because right now the Realme UI is, I think in the Realme X7 Max, it got locked to 60 FPS, I think so. So it did not only in my unit, even in a lot of other units also, it's the same problem. Not only in this game, even the PUBG game as well, even with the 90 FPS enabled, but still there's no use of 90 FPS. As you can see, 90 FPS PUBG 1.5 version which is enabled, we can play actually, but you don't get 90 FPS, you cannot get. No, because the Realme UI is restricting. So there's no problem with the Dimensity, there's no problem with the PUBG, but the problem only with the Realme UI. So in this way you will be able to enable the real-time refresh rate, and this value will keep on change. It will change from 120 to 60. Let me try to keep this settings application for some time, and after some time the value will decrease to 60 Hz automatically to save some battery. That kind of mechanism is also there. So I'll try to explain you. Let's see. I'll try to wait for some time, maybe 1 minute, to see whether the 120 will decrease to 60 or not. I think it's not changing to 60 FPS, it's staying exactly at 120 FPS. So let me try to open the home screen. So this home screen, this live wallpaper supports 60 FPS. So now from 120, it should change to 60. As you can see, it's changing. As soon as I start to touch the screen, it will change to 120 FPS rate, as you can see. So this will just show you the refresh rate, how much actually you are getting, that's it. So in this way, you can actually see which game actually supports higher refresh rate and which game doesn't support higher refresh rate, and which applications you can actually use with the 120 Hz. So Play Store you can use with the 120 Hz, as you can see. In this way you will be able to get to know what are the applications. So Gallery also you can use with 120 Hz refresh rate, as you can clearly see, friends. Even the Google Chrome browser also you can use with the 120 Hz refresh rate. So in this way you'll be able to figure out what are the apps you can use with the 120 Hz without any kind of problem, as you can see. So now the Google Chrome supports the 120 Hz. So now the application which is the YouTube, whenever you open the YouTube application, it doesn't support 120 Hz. It immediately changes to 60 Hz. As you can see from 60, it did change, as you can see here. So in this way you'll be able to determine just only the refresh rate. That's not the FPS. That is what I'm trying to say. It's not the FPS, it's only refresh rate. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates. In case if you are having any other doubts, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I will be able to make a video on that particular topic. And in case if you are feeling this kind of videos are really helpful, and in case if you want me to support me, then definitely make sure to donate some amount money to this number. That will be really great. PhonePe, Paytm, or GPay, because I need to buy plenty of other smartphones, friends. In the future I'm really planning to buy the Realme GT, OnePlus Nord 2 and other devices very soon, but due to the lack of money, that is the reason I'm not unable to buy. So I just need some kind of support from you all until I get the review units. That is the reason I'm just asking for your help, and thank you for all the donations whoever made. I'm really appreciating your effort. Even the amount is really small, doesn't matter, friends. There's nothing called small, so there's no small in my term. It's only kind of, at least you're taking a step and you are helping me. That's really great. So thank you all, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.